So our first clue is on this picture of Thomas the Tank Engine. You know what we need now? Our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook, right. And look, this is a Maraca notebook the Navy gave me. See? There's a picture of Navy right there, holding me playing the maracas. Okay, so Thomas the Tank Engine. First, let's draw his face, then the funnel, a line down here for the body for Thomas, circles for wheels, and then the steam coming out of the funnel. There, Thomas. So, what could Navy want to sing at the concert with Thomas? Maybe. I think it's best we find two more clues to see if we're right. In the meantime, let's go see who else is going to be performing next. Come on.